Do you not know where your money goes every month? Is it now impossible to make ends meet on a meager income? What if I tell you that now you can create a solid budget even with a low income and even plan your future by saving with it? Friends, watch this video till the end, because in this video, we are going to talk about budget management tactics that work in real life. Your wallet might be empty right now, but if your mind is full, you can win this battle. If you are ready, here we go. The first thing you need to do is not dream, but make a realistic budget plan. How much money do you earn per month? What is the net amount you actually receive? And most importantly, where does this money go? Creating a monthly income and expenditure table is the most powerful weapon for someone with a low income. To do this, write down every expense. Never forget this. It's not how much you earn it, but how you manage that money. That matters. And friends, money management starts with habits. The biggest enemy of a low income is hidden expenses. Drinking 2 cups of coffee a day, eating out on weekends, and making unnecessary online purchases. When you add it all up, these expenses can cost you thousands of dollars a month. When you make such an expense, ask yourself this question: what would I lose if I didn't make this expense? Financial freedom begins with cutting back on discretionary spending. Remember, the time we are living in is not a time for luxury, but a time for smart consumption. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 budget rule before, but for someone with a low monthly income, these percentages are actually useless. But your budget should look like this: 70%, basic needs such as rent, bills, and food. Only 10%, small pleasures, because psychological balance is very important. 20% is mandatory savings. Yes, even saving is mandatory for you, because emergencies don't care about your income level. You should always have something in reserve. Friends, don't give up just because your income is low. In the current situation, it is quite possible to increase your income. There are many options, such as side jobs, online micro tasks, and digital platforms. Today, it is possible to earn weekly income by working just 1 or 2 hours online. You can work this way after coming home from work in the evening. The extra income you earn from such work will keep you afloat and provide much-needed financial breathing room. In other words, saying it's not enough without exploring new ways to earn money is truly unfair. Remember, friends, the secret to wealth isn't having a lot of money. It's disciplined money management. Another rule is, always go grocery shopping with a list of items you need to buy. Make a weekly spending plan, not a monthly one. Spend money for long-term peace of mind, not for momentary happiness. Our rule is very simple. Without discipline, a budget is nothing more than a wish list. Please remember, a low income doesn't define you. How you manage it does. You may have less money in your wallet today. You may earn less on a monthly basis, but your life tomorrow can change with the economic decisions you make today. If you like this video, I am starting to manage my budget in the comments. Don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends, because knowledge multiplies as it is shared and gains value as it is shared. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, I will give you more important information about money management and saving strategies. See you soon.